Hi guys, I'm Pranali
I'm Arya.
and we are Two Crew for You. Okay, so first of all, thank you so much for the love on Mere Sonia. We just took a live session on Instagram. If you guys are not following us there, do follow. The handle is right down here below.
So we got a lot of requests from you guys asking for a tutorial on the same. So here we are teaching Mere Sonia 2.0.
Yes.
Let's get started. So I will be teaching part 1 and part 2 and Pranali will be teaching part 3 and part 4. Alright? Let's get started guys.
Let's go.
Hey guys, so this video is mirrored. So my right will be your right and my left will be your left. Got it? So we are going to start with, what we're going to do is our right hand is going to be near our chest and our left hand is going to be on the waist. Alright? And the right hand is going to go 1, 2. So from down to top. Alright? And you lean a little like that. So 1, 2. Got it? So along with this, our legs move 1, 2. So it's a half spin. So you start the spin with your right leg by taking a small jump and then drag it back. Got it? So the step is 1, 2. We do it together. And this step starts facing back. If you would have seen the choreo, you'd know that we start the choreo facing back. So we turn from our right shoulder. Okay guys? Like that. That's how you turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay? Now from here, we go 3, 4. Just 2 steps front. So we walk 1, 2. And the hands go down and down. So first your right hand goes down, then your left hand goes down. And during the step, you look at your hands. Okay? So 1, 2. And guys, this song is a lot on the lyrics and the feel of the song. So just know the lyrics and get familiar with the song so that you can relate to it more. You can feel it more, okay? So this goes at Javi and this is Chod Ke. So Chod Ke. Alright? Chod Ke. So 1, 2. And from this posture, you put your right leg out. And along with that, you look up. This is at Na. Okay guys, let's try. 5, 6, 7, 8. Javi chod ke na. Okay, now from here, we're going to have to take a spin. And now how we're spinning is a 3/4 spin. Because you don't finish the spin, you end it when you're facing your right side. So you start the spin from your right. So 1, and you end it once you face your right. Okay? So 1, 2. That's how you're going to go for the spin. And while you're spinning, your hands are going to be like you're hugging someone. Okay? So from here, you're going to go hug and stop. Okay guys? So while you stop, you immediately go to Rehna Ve. So the hug and stop is at Tere Naal. So Tere Naal, Rehna Ve. So Rehna Ve, I'm going to split it into 3 parts. So first is your hip. It goes like hit, 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 slow. Okay, 1, 2, and you sit. And the hands are also going to go hit, slow, hit and slow. Alright guys? And the head is also going to go hit and slow. Like you're getting shy. Slow. Okay? So all 3 together, it goes Rehna Ve. Okay, full on expressions and feels guys. Rehna Ve. Okay? Now from here, your right leg is going to go out. You're going to place your left leg like this and your right leg is going to go out. And you point at 2. So, Rehna Ve. 2. Now from here, your left hand goes towards the right and you lean on the right leg. 1, 2. So the hands are just 1, 2. And the body movement is just lean to the right, lean to the left. Lean to the right, lean to the left. So from 2, Shringar Mera. So 1, 2. And then immediately comes Tu Hai. Tu Hai. So from 1, 2, you take your right leg front and back. 1, 2. And your hands, you hold your right hand on top of your left hand and it goes 1, 2. Front, back. Same as the legs. Tu Hai. Okay, so tu shringar mera tu hai. Now from here, again it's the walk. Mahi. Okay, so the legs are again walk, walk. And what do you do with your hands? You put on earrings. And how you do that is, this is how your hands are going to be. And first your right hand is going to be on the top. The left hand is going to be down. And then the left hand is going to be on top. Right hand is going to be down. So 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so how we're going to do that is, the right leg, sorry, my bad. The right leg is in front, the right hand goes up, left leg is in front, left hand goes up, and then the next step is Gehna way. Again, the right leg just goes out and you put on a tika. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So, tu hai mahi Gehna way. Got it, guys? So, from Shringar mera tu hai mahi Gehna way. Okay, guys? Should we do part 1 together now? This is the end of part 1. Alright? Let's try with the pace of the song. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. जावी छोड़ के ना तेरे नाल रहना वे तू श्रृंगार मेरा तू है माई गहना वे. Okay, guys, I hope you all got this much. Let's move ahead to part 2. So guys, part 1 is over. We ended over here. Now part 2 starts with a turn. So we finished Gehna ve. There's a music in the background, okay? So you turn there, okay? So this is right before the next Javi line starts. So Gehna ve, Javi, okay? Now the next step is 1, 2. So first you move your right shoulder backwards, then you move your left shoulder backwards. But you do the step facing back because from here you've just turned. So now it is chhod ke. Okay? So javi chhod ke na. Okay? Na is a look. So how you do that is 1, 2, look. Okay? It's just a side turn. So your body is facing your left side now. And you're turning from your right shoulder. Okay, guys? 1, 2, look. And now from here, you're going to be pointing out towards your right side. And while you point, your left leg goes diagonally back. Okay, guys? So 1. Okay? So, chhod ke na tere. Na is just you're going to hold your hand with your left hand. Okay, guys? So we ended Gehna way here. There's a music where we turn. From there we go. Javi chhod ke look. Now, tere naal. Okay, now from here, the legs are going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But do not tap your legs fully. Just use your toes, alright? So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Just use your toes, guys. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So from here, tere naal, you hold and then you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now when you go like this with your legs, just move your shoulders slightly. Okay? Not like a lot, just like for that grace. Okay? So, tere naal rehna ve, and then there is a music. No. So at that music, your left leg goes outside and you just move your shoulders. You don't have time to like fully move. It's just 1, 2. Okay? Because it's a very fast music. So it goes like na tere naal rehna ve na. Okay? Now from here, your left leg comes inside and you point at 2 again. So 2. Shringar mera is again a walk. 1, 2. So we have a lot of these walks in this choreo, okay? But the hands are different for each walk. So 1, 2, and at Shringar what we do is we put on eyeliner. So we use our pinky finger and then we do 1, 2. Alright? 1, 2. Okay, guys? So let's try. So we stopped at 2. Shringar mera. So use your shoulders also slightly when you're putting on eyeliner, okay? So Shringar mera. Now from here, your left leg goes out again and your hands catch the 2 hai. So it goes 2 hai. Okay? So you face towards your left also there. So Shringar mera 2 hai. Okay, now from here, Mahi is just Mahi. Just the hand. Mahi. Then Gehna ve you put on bangles and full on expressions, because this Gehnaway is very slow and graceful. So use your face the most over here and just put on bangles. And how you do that is, you would like this, right? With your hands, you take the left hand, and the right hand goes from inside and comes out. So that's it. You just look at your hands. Okay, that's it, guys. Part 2 ends here. So let's try with music. So, जावी छोड़ के ना तेरे नाल रहना वे, तू श्रृंगार मेरा तू है माई Gehnaway. Okay, now we move on to part 3 and part 4, for which Pranali will be taking.
Hi guys, so we've just learned part 1 and part 2. We're going to learn part 3 now. So Arya finished at Gehnaway. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a spin, and we're going to spin from our back side. So left shoulder spins. Okay? What our hands are going to do is, our right hand is going to lead us. It's going to open up, and the left hand is just going to extend out. Okay? So that it comes to this level. So we're going to go high. Okay? There's a music after Gehnaway. The step is on that. And what are legs doing? Left leg just comes close and then we just spin. Okay, like a normal spin. Let's try from Gehnaway, high. Okay, next part we're going to place our right leg in front, place it back, then tap, tap, again place it front and back. So only right leg is doing all the work, left leg is not doing anything. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how you placed your right leg in front, same thing you're going to do at the back. Okay, no changes. Okay, what are we doing with the hands? We're going to extend them out. So let me show you how it's going to look from the side first. We're going to extend our right arm in the front, left at the back, bring it in. When we're tapping our legs, we're going to go right, left. Okay, very beautifully, very gracefully. It's a very pretty song, so feel the grace, make it very beautiful. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hands are the same. What you're doing in front, same thing you will do at the back. So let me show you the step with hands and with legs. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so when you're turning back and extending your arms, make sure you look at your hands. Okay, 1, 2. That's the step, right? So the lyrics are Duri Heveri Jinnatu. So at Jinnatu, we finished this part. Now what are we going to do after this? We're going to, okay, let me break it down. I'll show you the hands first, then I'll show you the legs. Cool? So our hands are just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, which is place, 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 right? We're going to start with right on top, left on top, right bottom, left bottom. Okay? Do the hands with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you look at your hands. Okay? So what are we doing with our legs? We're going to kick our right leg. At the same time, we're going to go on toes of the left leg. So we're going to go on the toes, we're going to elevate. There's going to be a height difference, right? It's going to happen together. So it's going to go 1, 2. So second count is a hold. It's going to be an L. After 2, we're going to place our right leg forward. That's a third count. That's 3. And fourth count, we're going to shift the left leg, which is at the back. It's going to come in front. Okay? Let's do it again. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Legs are done. Hands are done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Lyric is Mera. On Mera, we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you are doing it with the song, have the count going on in your head. Okay? Let's do it together. Hands and legs and with the look. 5, 6, 7, 8. Mera. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we finished here now. What we're going to do now is going to take our left leg behind. Place it behind, so your weight is now shifted to the right leg. Okay, you place it back, then you tap the right leg, and then you place your left leg in front. Same thing we're going to repeat on the right side. So now we're going to place our right leg back, we're going to tap the left leg, and we're going to place it back. Okay, notice when I'm placing my left leg back, I'm bending towards my right. So make sure you're bending. Okay, let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, what are the hands doing? We're just gonna make a circle. Okay, make a circle. Just take the hands from here and bring it back to your chest on both sides. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it goes. Unni mein teri. Did that? Now we're going to do 3 spins. Okay, let me show you the hands first. It's going to go 1, 2. Just a flower in the air. 1, 2. But we're making this flower when we are spinning. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2. Got it? So 1, 2. Then we're going to change the hands, extend it forward. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Nothing with the hands, same thing what we had done before, just place your right leg forward. Okay? And at the back, left is also extending. Okay, so the hands for the spins are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And the legs, nothing, you're just spinning. Spinning, spinning. Okay? Just put your right leg here, spin with your left. Cool? Let's try that. Okay. Another thing, while spinning, this is what we mentioned on our live session also, just something for you guys so that your spinning gets a bit easier. So what we do in spinning is we spot. What is spotting? It's a technique which we dancers use to maintain our balance and orientation while we take fast spins. And how you do it? What you're going to do, you're going to fix your eyes at one point in the center. I'm fixing my eyes here and I'm going to stare at that point for as long as I can. Okay, so what I mean is, suppose this camera lens is my center, I'm going to keep looking at it as much as I can. Okay, this helps you control your body and helps you balance yourself. So practice spotting because it will definitely make your spins easier. Right, so I'm spotting all 3 times. With all 3 spins, I'm spotting. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Cool. So the spins are done. Let's do this section, part 3, over again with the lyrics. Okay? Let's go. So, Gehna ve hai duri hai very jinna tu mera unni mein teri. Okay guys, so we have an alternate option for you guys. If you guys are not able to do the 3 spins, try doing it. But if you guys can't, then you guys can take 2 spins, okay? So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll show you guys how it would be with the music. But try doing 3 spins. If you can't, you guys can do Unni mein teri. Okay, part 3 is done, guys. Let's begin part 4 now. We finished our spin. This is the chorus, guys, the easiest part of choreography. Let's get this done. Cool. So we're going to jump back with our right leg behind. And then we're going to do the same thing with our left leg. Okay? So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So after you finish the spin, you're going to first place your left. Okay, you're going to place your left, then you're going to place your right behind, then you tap your left leg. Same thing we do on the right side. We're going to place right, put left leg behind, and then tap left. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And notice how I'm leaning towards the left side while doing the first time, and then towards the right side. Okay. Now, what are the hands doing? Hands, you know how you do this when you love someone, when you adore someone. So you're just going to do the same thing except from the side. So you're going to pull and then you're just going to extend it and then you push it inside. Okay, so Sonia, Sonia, wait. When you do the third time, when wait comes, you're gonna look towards your left. Okay? So extend, push, extend, push, wait. Cool? Let's do hands and legs together. It's gonna be Sonia, Sonia, wait. Okay? And wave you're looking towards the left. Also, when I'm doing the first two times, notice my head first goes towards the left and it goes towards the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sonia, Sonia, wait. We finished this. Now for the next part, legs are not moving, only hands are doing the work. So next lyric is Ve Mahi. So on Ve, we're not doing anything. This is Mahi. So on Ma, our hands extend outside. On He, they just come inwards towards the chest. Then we're going to do shoulder, shoulder. Okay? So you're going to do right shoulder first and you're going to do left shoulder. Focus on your shoulders. You don't need to focus on this area. Cool? So, Ve Mahi Mera. For Kithe Nahi Ho. Let me show you the legs first. You're going to go Kithe Nahi Ho Dil Lagna. So what am I doing? I'm just placing my right leg first and then thumka. Thumka outside, okay? Then left, then thumka out. Right, thumka out. Left, thumka out. These are 4 counts. And what are our hands doing? Hands are going to point first at our waist. Take both the hands, just point. Then you're going to point towards your chest. That is towards your dil. Dil, lagna. You're just going to say na. And with the right hand first, then with the left hand. So it's going to be Ve Mahi Mera Kithe Nahi Ho Dil Lagna. Okay? Now next, we're going to repeat Mere Sonia, but with a slight difference. It's going to be Mere Sonia, Sonia, Ve. So on Ve, we're going to extend our arms and bring it. After we bring it, we're going to go Mahi, same shoulder. We're going to do right, left, Mera. You're just going to point, you're going to nod, and then you're going to point with your hands. Mera. You're just going to show Mera. For Kithe Nahi Ho Dil Lagna, we're just going to do thumka. We're doing thumka inwards now. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what are our hands doing? First 4 times we're going to show na. Okay? And at the same time, the right hand is going to go upwards. Okay? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you use your head when you're doing the first 4 counts. After that, you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Just hit, 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 hit. Okay? Okay. Sonia, Sonia, Ve. Ve Mahi Mera Kithe Nahi Ho Dil Lagna. We finished 4 counts and then we're just gonna pose. You guys can do whatever pose that you guys like. What we did was we extended our left leg and our right arm was on top and left below and very gracefully just ended. Okay, part 4 is over. I'm just going to do it all together on the lyrics. Cool? So it starts with Mere Sonia, Sonia Ve. Ve Mahi Mera Kithe Nahi Ho Dil Lagna. Mere Sonia, Sonia Ve. Ve Mahi Mera Kithe Nahi Ho Dil Lagna. Hai. Please excuse my singing. Okay, so now we're gonna show you guys the whole choreography together. That's part 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go.
5, 6, 7, 8.
जावी छोड़ के ना तेरे नाल रहना वे तू श्रृंगार मेरा तू है माही कहना वे जावी छोड़ के ना तेरे नाल रहना वे तू श्रृंगार मेरा तू है माही कहना वे हाय दूरी है पहली जिन्ना तू मेरा उन्नी मैं तेरी मेरे सोनिया सोनिया वे माही मेरा कितने में दिल लगना हाय. Okay, awesome. Good job,
Good
guys.
job, guys.
If you like this routine, do make a cover on it. And if you do, please
Please
tag
tag
us
us.
so we can see that. Also, like, share, and subscribe. See you guys. Until next time.
Bye.